everybody. Good afternoon to you all. This is Fuzzbuzz. Just buzzing around as usual. That's all I do, really, just buzz. Coming to you live from the sunny, the beautiful Antalya. Today, another little spot that I like in sort of central Antalya, in Kepez. There's a little sort of a smallish hillside, mountain top. They have a nice little suburb up there. During summer, it's lovely to go up there because it gets really hot here, and it's because it's elevated, it gets a little bit cooler up there. So a lot of people go up there for tea, coffee, no alcohol, no real big restaurant, sort of fast food. And it's actually called Masa Dag. Masa in Turkish is table. From a distance, when you look at it, it looks like a table. It's flat on top, so that's where they go with the name Masa. It's like a table mountain. And right now they've put up a suburb up there. So people actually live up there. Before, apparently, there was nobody. And nowadays, everybody wants to live up there. Really popular. Prices are, you know, a little bit expensive compared to everywhere else. Being away from the city just a little bit. It's only, 10 kilometers away from town. So it's not too far. But it's a nice little spot. And I wanted to share that with you today. I wanted to take you up there. We'll be up there in 5, 6 minutes, 7 minutes or so, I think. And it's a cracking day. No work today for me, as there was an election yesterday, Sunday. And because of the election, there's no school, which is great. You gotta love living in Turkey. I mean, there's elections, so next day, no school. So I think good place to be. And off we go again. There's all these new buildings. Oop, shit. I missed that one. These puddles on the road, man, it's crazy. From here we gotta do a left. I don't know why these lights are flashing for. Red. Does it mean I stop? Does it mean I go? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna go anyway. If you see at the top there, those apartments right up the top, that's where we're headed. We're gonna get up the top. And at the top, like I said, you can have tea, coffee, you can munch on some bird seeds, you can have some sort of fast food like, toast, chips and stuff. I usually go up there for the tea or coffee. I make some good tea up there, and I put the teapot on your table on a little fire, and off you go. And you can enjoy, sit with a group, sit with a friend, sit by yourself. It's a nice view. And when we get up there, I'll show you the view. These lights, if these lights bloody change. As I was saying, Antalya is it's a good time to come to Antalya in April, today being April 1. So it's a great time, weather-wise I mean, because in June it gets really hot, starting to get hot. June, July, August, it's stinker, really humid, really hot, climbing the mountain. You big Greg? Bloody rogs on the road. As I said earlier, there used to be all these old houses up here, and now they're sort of demolishing all the old establishments and putting up all new ones. Still, as you can see, there's some old houses around here up the top. They're all new apartments, buildings going up, and it's getting really popular up here. At the moment, I think we're halfway up. If you look to the right, you can sort of see the view of Antalya. There it is there. Great view. All of Antalya. We're going to climb up a little bit more. The view gets even better. Almost at the top now. A lot of people park their cars and just enjoy the scenery, might have a cold drink. A lot of the Turks, I think, drink up here. Each to their own. There you go. There's the beach. Up here, as you can see, there's some new apartments and whatnot. Can we go up here? I think we can. Just park the bike here. Yeah, so this is it. We're up here, and I'll take some more footage of what the view looks like in a minute. And this is what it looks like when you're when you get up the top here. As you can see, it's a nice little park. Few little cafes, fast food, ice cream places. It's got some water. You can have a picnic. It's got some picnic tables if you want to bring your own snacks and whatnot. Public toilets. Some outdoor sitting areas. I mean, at night this place comes to life. Really nice. Lights up. You can see all the lights of the city. It's kepez, it's a part of Kepez in Antalya. It's got some little water features. Really nice place. Really enjoy coming up here with some friends. As I said, they've got some new buildings up here, always some new buildings coming up. And if you keep coming down this way, view. Glorious view. Love this view. I mean, at nights, really sensational, as you can see. Come out here, you can see the beach, the coastline, the mountains, the city. It's a big city. It's not small. I think 2 or 3 million population. And we normally just go into this place and you can sit in there and order whatever you like. Just come around here and as you can see this place, here's the view, awesome view. Cracking view, cracking view. Enjoy, hope you all enjoy. This is the tea that we got ordered. Comes in a teapot, puts on your table, and you get to sit around looking at the beautiful view, and you enjoy your tea, coffee, some fast food if you want. Thanks for coming for the ride today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. This is Fuzzbuzz signing out. Adios.